Hello, I'm Dr. Deepak Devakar, dermatologist and hair transplant surgeon practicing at Dermasculpt Skin and Hair Clinic, Jayanagar, Bangalore. So, stress and hair loss both are related. What is stress? Stress is if your body is not able to support you every day and you are pushing yourself because of the work demands or your commitments and you continue doing it over a prolonged period of time, then your body will be under stress and it will be affected by hormonal changes. Diet and nutrition may be affected, because of which the stressful factors will speed up the hair loss conditions. Now, a person who is not accepting that they are taking stress, but still they will be under the effect of stress because of various reasons. A person who is already anxious, they have symptoms of stress, sleep disorders may happen, or their lifestyle may be more affecting it. But a person who is casual and just pushing throughout the day, working in long hours and in traffic there for many hours, that itself creates a kind of stress on their body at the end of the day. And if the body is not able to recover out of it, eventually the body will accumulate this negative chemicals, which will put more damage to the hair root and cause faster progression of baldness. Genetically, not necessarily everybody will be designed to get bald, but because of the stressful factors and the hormonal effect, the hair roots get predisposed to develop into baldness. This can be avoided with a healthy lifestyle. Now, this can't be done in few days. You will have to do a lifestyle change significantly. You take care of your health. Self-care is required. You need to give a few hours for your own body to do healthy exercise, proper nutrition and good sleep. How much ever work or stress is there, you have to give some time for yourself so that your body is able to recover out of the stress. We can help you with medications to counter these side effects, but in long term, it is better to do it naturally with a healthy lifestyle. So, stressful factors can cause other diseases also in health: hypertension, blood pressure, or cardiac conditions. In such patients, they are already on medications, and this severe stress may progress their balding process also. We have seen there are siblings, brothers, who are one person is having more baldness, one person is having less baldness. Even if they are having similar kind of genetic makeup, they are getting more affected in some of them based on their lifestyle. So taking care of your health is important. Stress will increase the cortisol hormones and various hormones which put undue stress on the hair follicles, which end up into thinning and miniaturized hairs. The growth reduces, thickness reduces, and they progress into baldness faster. With the correct examination of your scalp at our clinic, we will be able to give the right suggestions and treatment for the scalp. There are treatments which will help in reducing the progression of baldness and avoid getting a transplantation in such stages. We are able to help you anytime. You are welcome to our clinic. Thank you.